Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make donation on Wise. So simply, as you can see, we have opened our main account, and now if you want to donate through Wise, so just on the left side you can see there are multiple tabs available here, like balances, manage, receipts, recipients, cards, home. So simply we will click on this one. After that, here you can see donate option is available. So simply make an impact, donate and causes and charity. Simply just click here, and after that, here you can see just what kind of charity is top line in your country. So in my country this charity is on top line, so it will be available here. Else other all charity donations that are registered or supported in your country simply will be available here. So just what you need to do, you have to click on donate, and after that wait for a few seconds. Our page is being uploaded. So here how much amount you want to donate. So simply I want to donate $100. So after that it will be convert in your local currency and click on continue. So here you can see in order to donate you have to add money in your Wise account. So simply when you have money you can easily donate by this process in Wise.